Hey sis, I'm back again with another tutorial. I have some more tea, some more tips and tricks for my wig maker, so please make sure y'all stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button right now. I've been really getting subscribers every single day. Let's keep this trend going. We've been doing so good, y'all. But like I said, we're going to get straight into it today. Today's tutorial is just quick, easy, simple. This is literally a short video today. We are going to be plucking a closure. We're going to be plucking a closure. Last week, I just dropped a video of how to get your frontal wig ready to wear. So let's go ahead and drop a tutorial today, quick and simple, of a closure, because I kind of do it similar, but kind of not. And you already know my go-to tweezers right here. It really doesn't even matter the name brand of it, but just in case people wanted to know, that's Revlon. But the most important thing is that these are angled, and the importance of the angle you'll definitely see in the tutorial. We love the slanted style of tweezers. These are the only tools I will be using today, just a rat tail comb and the tweezers that I was talking about. And remember in that first tutorial, y'all, love examining that hairline before I even begin plucking, for sure, just to see where the hair starts to thicken up. And you can see there is a thin line up front, but there's a thicker line following that. And y'all, don't scroll away, don't click off because you're like, girl, I can't see nothing. We finna get real close and personal with this tutorial. It's about to be zoomed in just a second. Okay, y'all know I'm very consistent on the way I pluck. So y'all already know I'm going to separate that first thin layer of hair, and then I'm going to also create another line. So it's about 3 layers that I'm creating right there that I'm going to be plucking. This helps me flow the hairline all together so it can look right, so it can look natural. Now that first layer, you don't want to do too much, but you want to do enough to where once you flip over another section, you'll be able to see that you did pluck something. So, and I want you to also make sure that you don't see it in this clip, but trust me, you're about to see me put my thumb there. There you go. So you want to make sure you're putting your thumb down and spreading the hair, constantly pushing back your thumb so you can see what hair is actually even missing. What have you even plucked? And it helps you because when you're done with the wig and everything, because right now we're in the making part of it. It's not finalized. Nothing's molded down. Nothing is. Once you actually get done plucking, you're going to mold your wig how you want it to lay. That's why I like keeping my thumb there. I like using my hot stick and wax comb so I can kind of put my hair the way it's going to be when I actually lay it. So now we're going to finally zoom in a little bit more once I get plucking, but each and every layer I'm going to use that wax stick and hot comb just to press it down to where it's going to be laying once I finalize the wig and mold it. So yeah. And finally, y'all, here comes the close-up. So this is when we get to the nitty-gritty. This is when we flipped our first layer back and we're blending into that first layer that we did. You can see that I have my angled tweezers slanted the way I need them to, and I'm constantly pushing that thumb back. And I just want y'all to keep watching, see the hair come out through my comb, because you'll see the hair fall out literally through my comb. And if you're not seeing that, then you're not plucking right, sis.
But I know you mean to get done if you come on. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas trying to end me. I spilled out my emotions tonight. I'm sorry.
Alrighty, y'all. So it just looks so much better. Like, look at the other side compared to this side. It just looks so much better. And I promise y'all, a lot of people don't get plucking because, you know, everybody has their own specialty. Everybody does their own research on certain things, and they don't see the importance of certain things. But I really do. Plucking is an essential, and you just really need to do it. Like, another thing that I have added to my routine is parting out the baby hair as I'm doing that last layer. I feel like this is really going to change your game. This is 2023 tips, okay? For real. bring out your baby hair, use that hot comb and go ahead and flatten it out the way so you don't even have to worry about it. And look, this is literally, I'm getting my hairline as if I'm already like about to mold it and everything, and I'm finalizing everything. Just so you can see how the hair is going to be like. I promise y'all, I've been doing wigs for about 4 to 5 years now. And I have done a lot of different plucking methods. And this is just the one that has really, you know, it's changed my game. And I've done it very consistently. I haven't balled a wig in so long, y'all, like for real, for real. And I want y'all to peep as well, because this is just on a white mannequin. So your plucking is very noticeable when you're missing a, you know, like a hair space or whatever. So just wait till it get on the mannequin, because it really brings everything together and everything just looks just freaking bomb. So just make sure y'all keep watching this tutorial all the way to the end so y'all can see how we end up finishing things, y'all. Before moving on to the other side, make sure you take your time just to part through the side, and you know, because your client most likely is going to wear a middle part or side part. So just make sure you part through, just make sure there's no balding or anything. It's just really important, y'all, okay? So this second side isn't as detailed, but we're literally going to do the same exact thing. Y'all just watch this. I love when like tutorials have like a, you know, like a talk through part and another part of where you actually see how this is literally how I actually pluck the wig in real life. Like I'm behind the wig stand and this is how I pluck. Now for the tutorial, yes, I was in the front, but I want y'all to actually see what I'm doing, like when I'm working, like what I'm doing, like literally this is what I do, and that's how I normally pluck and everything. So yeah, thank y'all for tuning in to this tutorial. I really hope it was helpful for my wig makers, my wig wearers who don't want to pay for their hair getting plucked and bleached. This is your channel right here without having to pay for any classes. So yeah, so now we got our hairline, our baby hairs laid, and now we're ready to slay, y'all. And no bald spots all 2023, y'all. But yeah, make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe.